What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be showing you how to install our new LED license plate lights on your 2014 to 2019 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra. Let's get into it. Our LED license plate lights for your truck is a simple upgrade that makes a big impact. Designed to be 15 times brighter than stock, they deliver a crisp white light that enhances visibility, improves safety, and gives your truck a clean, modern look. Installation is quick and hassle-free thanks to the plug-and-play design. And the durable waterproof construction means they're built to weather the storm mile after mile. Whether you're aiming to be a showstopper or just want better nighttime visibility, these LED lights are the high-performance lighting upgrade your truck's been missing. A couple things to note before we get into the install. The procedure is outlined for 2014 to 2018 GMC Sierra and Chevy Silverado 1500s, and 2015 to 2019 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 25 and 3500 vehicles. If your vehicle is a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment and availability and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it. So we are now under the bumper on this truck, and we are looking in between the hitch receiver and the actual bumper. We're going to go ahead and remove this 7mm bolt right here and notch this light out of place. So now with that bolt removed, we can go ahead and just pull this out of place and then twist the socket to remove the housing. And now we're just going to remove the bulb. And since we're working on the passenger side of the vehicle, we're going to go ahead and grab the light labeled R.
You can now plug in your new Boost Auto light. The plug isn't polarity specific, so it can plug in either way.
Once it's plugged in, go ahead and just feed the wires back into the new housing and then twist the socket to lock it back in place. And then we just take the top here, push it back in, and then we can just take that bolt removed and screw it back in.
Once complete, repeat the same steps on the driver's side.
And we just finished installing your new LED license plate lights, and I think they look pretty cool. And if you want to check out some other products that look pretty good on your truck, check out our website at boostauto.com. And for that, I'll see you in the next one.
The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.